Frequently, when a real estate pro has a closing coming up fast and radon mitigation delays are holding up the closing, smart ventilation technology and RadonRESSQ can often get mitigation completed within 48 hours after the deposit is paid. Talk about fast. Both Daisy Ductless and Black Cepha are fast. And both include 3 special features like automatic mold prevention, easy and precise radon level adjustment, and high performance, long-life filtration that the competition wishes they could provide but cannot and don't. And RadonRESSQ is not afraid to include an accurate and reliable radon meter with an audible alarm to assure the homeowner that they are getting what they expected, low radon levels for their family's safety, and continued good health for years. After all, what good is the best warranty in the world if you don't know that your radon system has failed and your family's health is at risk? Thanks to the engineering of the Daisy Ductless and the Black Cepha ducted, no time is wasted on permitting, there are no complications and mess of construction, no new soffits, no drywall work, no joint repair, no priming, sanding, painting, and no construction cleanup. No crown molding modification, no looking for and not finding matching paint or wallpaper. Careful engineering and custom manufactured products and tools make it possible. And quick and simple and easy and affordable. Smart Ventilation spent years developing and perfecting the blue bore core drill rig. This custom tool line bores the fresh air intake port through a concrete wall, on any floor, even in high-rise buildings. And it line bores a precise hole from indoors, with absolute line bore precision so that the Daisy fits perfectly. What is the accuracy? The tolerance is about 35 thousandths of an inch. Incredible accuracy, way beyond what any other concrete boring method can achieve. But that is what it takes. Smart ventilation engineers were able to find a way to air cool the diamond bit to keep it from burning up. The engineers also developed a cyclonic particle separator to capture all dust and cuttings and deposit them into an airtight cuttings collection container without spilling any dust into the environment. The system keeps the environment incredibly clean.
Just look at this perfect port for a precisely correct flow of fresh air to enter into your home through the Daisy ventilator filtration module. The cyclonic particle separator I always use captures every bit of drywall dust during the drywall cut with a carbide hole saw, and the concrete dust cut with the diamond core bit during the concrete boring. It drops all cuttings and dust into the airtight dust particle collector before it can get to the vac. There is not one bit of dust that escapes and must be cleaned up. And the EPDM gasketed Daisy fits perfectly, centered precisely into the center of the 6/7/8 drywall opening, and into the center of the 4/1/2 hole through the concrete block wall. A perfect fit. Every time. The low airflow rate of the Daisy immediately mixes with the indoor air, assuring that the occupants will never be aware of it. Diffusion and air conditioner operation will assure that the super clean fresh air is constantly and effectively distributed throughout the home, pressurizing the home, diluting radon, and delivering oxygen-rich MERV 14-15 fresh outdoor air to preserve your family's good health for years.
The blue bore diamond core drilling rig bores such a precise opening for the Daisy that everything fits perfectly, and not even one drop of paint is needed. Our installers can be in and out the door in 2 hours or less, and they have no need to return for anything. Service. The Daisy Ductless is designed as plug-and-play. Service is simple, quick, and easy with all plug-and-play parts and components available online at https://smarterstore.com. Premium filter service may be performed every 12-24 months from outdoors or from indoors as required by ASHRAE 62.2/2019. A Daisy Ductless meets all building and ventilation codes as well as radon mitigation requirements. RadonRESSQ will arrange for the arm's length, third-party radon testing firm that performed the original test to perform the post-mitigation clearance testing. That firm will immediately bill and get paid by RadonRESSQ, LLC for the clearance testing. RadonRESSQ is happy to have teammates educate homebuyers and real estate professionals. RadonRESSQ, LLC will gladly compensate them for educating and informing homebuyers as well as real estate sales professionals. RadonRESSQ seeks commissioned representatives to educate homebuyers so that they can make decisions that they won't regret later. You may contact Wayne to learn more. RadonRESSQ.com